To understand the principles behind major and minor scales, you need to understand two basic intervals, the semitone and the tone. So, a quick recap. In equal temperament, a semitone is the smallest interval. We also call it a half step, as it's the smallest movement between notes that you can make. If you take two of the same notes an octave apart, there are 12 semitones, or 12 half steps in between each note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll label semitone as S. The next largest interval is the tone, aka a whole step. There are two semitones to a tone, or two half steps to a whole step. Take the two same notes. How many tones are between them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll label tones T. Okay, now you're happily reminded of semitones, S, and tones, T. Let's look at the major scale. For this, you'll need to be able to refer to a piano. Your scale is 8 notes in total, starting and ending on the same note, an octave apart, 8 notes apart. Write in your starting note, G. We'll label this note note 1. Then write ascending to the 8th note, alternating between lines and spaces. This is the skeleton of our scale. Now we use a pattern of tones, T, and semitones, S, to determine the notes in our scale. The pattern is tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. What initialism do you use to remember this order? You could use Teletubbies Sing, the Teletubbies Song. TTS, TTTS. From our starting note then, G. Go up a tone, A. Up another tone, B. Go up a semitone, C. Up a tone, D. Tone, E. Tone, F sharp. Semitone, G. Notice how by going up a tone from E, we ended on F sharp. The original note in our skeleton scale was on the F line. Therefore, the black note is F sharp. The notes in G major then are G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Let's try the notes of F major. First, draw in your skeleton. 8 notes starting and ending on F, alternating between lines and spaces. Now write in your tone, semitone pattern for your major scale. T, T, S, T, 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 S. Now, using your piano, figure out the correct notes. Starting on F, go up a tone, G, tone, A, semitone, B flat, up a tone, C, tone, D, tone, E, semitone, F. The notes in F major then are F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. The note in our skeleton scale, remember, is on the B line, therefore this note becomes a B flat. Thanks for watching. Can you name the correct notes for the A major scale? Leave a comment below if you think you know what the answer is. Subscribe to the channel. 100 subs by the end of Summer Holes equals a cover song of your choice. So, subscribe to keep learning, and see you in the next video.